Hi, so today I would be telling you about how to upload the question bank into your ERP. Simply click on online exam and select question bank. You would see two options: import files in Excel, and you would see an option to create the questions as it is. You can add them manually too. When you want to import questions from Excel, without selecting classroom and subject, it would not allow you to proceed. So you might see an error that would say that the subject and the classroom needs to be selected. So just upload the file once you have selected the classroom and the subject. Once you do that, simply upload the same file into the system and the file would be uploaded. After that, you would see all the uploaded question directly into your system with a question ID. So once the questions are uploaded, you would see that the question IDs will be generated, and you can even add pictures to the questions easily. Just simply choose the file and select the images. That's as easy as that. Thank you so much.